Yes, hello, welcome back to the channel. This is the Pelican Man, and if you guys have ever wondered what it is like to own a drone, what you would like for a drone, what if you guys are getting into droning like I am, I have made this review video on the 0x Osprey. Sorry about the grainy camera. Getting there, wait until I've got enough money to get a 4K. Currently I'm using a 0ZX10 camera by 0x. Once again, they're cheap, they're reliable, I've already made a video on that if you guys want to go watch it. But in this video today we are doing the Osprey. I do have a couple videos coming out in later months, but I got a new Osprey drone today because my other one broke. So I was like, let's do an unboxing video, and that's what I'm going to be doing today. Hope you guys stick around, enjoy. This is a full review on the Osprey. Hoping to go for 10 minutes. Let's go. Alright, that's some better lighting. So we got the battery, and then these are just extra little propellers for your drone, along with the charging cable, which you should also use when charging up your battery. We have this little gadget which you put your phone on with the remote controller. Then we have the drone itself. This is a big bad boy. This is a replacement model. That's pretty good. Got these little caps that also come in this little baggie here. Miss them. So yeah, that's part one done. So whilst I wait for the drone's battery to charge up, as seen there, let's put these little dudes onto the drone. So they come off with these little things here, as you can see, and you just clip them in, and this protects your blades from getting dented and allows them to fly freer. So let's go quickly do that. Alright, that is our drone done. Now, you'll see like a little B there, or A there, and then it'll be opposite siding A, B. What this allows the drone to do is basically look at you, go one side, go to the other side, up, down, move on the spot, left and right. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Anyway, let's get this baby charged up and we'll take it for a test flight.
I'm a hostile fish, I'm a hostile fish. Baby, I'm a motherfucking hostile fish. I ain't never gonna be your dish. Baby, I'm a motherfucking hostile fish.
I am not a dog or some magic little bird. I'm a hostile fish, I'm a hostile fish.
Baby, I'm a motherfucking I'm a hostile fish, I'm a hostile fish. Baby, I'm a motherfucking hostile fish. I'm a hostile fish, I'm a hostile fish. Baby, I'm a motherfucking hostile fish. I'm a fish.
Are you Baby Shark?
No, I'm a motherfucking hostile fish. Baby, I'm a motherfucking hostile fish.
Speeding lights like an
I'm a hard fish. I'm a hard fish.
Coming back from the test run, I've got a lot to say about the osprey. The osprey is great for beginners. Now, if you're beginning to use this thing, if you you're on a budget friendly, this thing cost me $100. Pretty good for decent camera quality. It's a bit rough on the edges, but you get that. Doesn't have a dongle, like the thing that moves most drones cameras by itself, or whatever, I forget what it's called, but you know the thing I'm talking about. If you know, you know. But the osprey overall is user friendly, easy to get the hang of. Controls just like a PlayStation controller or an Xbox controller put together, like a knockoff one. It's easy. You got triggers on the back here, not triggers. I'd say triggers on the back here. Bumpers. One's for speed and sound. Speed and surround. It's like you can move. The other one here is for flips and headless, which I'm still to figure out how to do the flips and headless and the surround. This here is a D-pad. Also not sure what that's used for, but if you want to go up, it's up. If you want to turn, it's turn. If you want to go forward. You want to go to the left, but don't want to turn, you can go to the left. Pretty simple. Once again, these things are great, user friendly. If you want to start using a company, using one of these, I don't suggest it. Suggest getting something bigger. But if you want to start droning, for fun, I suggest getting one of these. Is this camera? Yeah, the camera's fine. I don't know why I'm, deactivating on the camera, but yeah, this is a great little starter if you want one. Overall, they're pretty good. No, I'm not sponsored, but I'll gladly take a sponsor. No, I need to get to 1,000 subscribers before that. But if you want the 0x osprey, go get one. They're going to be costing you. It's only gonna put down $100. You're not gonna be able to pick it up. When you are flying it, I suggest, if you're a beginner, if you go into emergency land, try to do it on grass, because the little tabs on them break pretty easily, like the landing tabs. Pieces do come off, but it does come with spares, so that's fine. Things are replaceable. I don't think I got anything else to say about the osprey other than it's pretty good. There is a 4K version. There's another version. If you guys want to see reviews on those, I'll gladly do once I hit 500 subscribers, or if this hits 2,000 views, I'll do one with 100 likes. 2,000 views and 100 likes. That's what I want. And I'll do another test on the 4K version. If you want to see me do a review on anything else, let me know. Still have more videos in the incoming weeks. One's on phonographs and one's on Commodores and Holdens. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see. This is the Pelican Man, and this was the review on the 0x Osprey drone. Have a lovely day, guys.